Namaskar. Welcome to Ancient Wisdom. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting scientific paradox. Imagine that you have gone to a sport event and you are sitting by the side of the ground, hot sun above, no shade, and it is 40 degrees centigrade temperature. It makes you feel cool. Does it? It does. But at the same time, does science explain this? Interestingly, think of the situation. You are using your hand to fan yourself. You are doing some work. And when you are doing work, the entropy of the universe increases. Because efficiency, which is the ratio of output versus input, has always to be less than 1. That means if you are fanning yourself, you are doing more work than you are receiving. And this means you should feel hotter because your body is doing some activity. But your explanation or your experience is exactly the contrary. Physics cannot explain it, nor can biology explain it. How is it that actually you are feeling hotter, or you should be feeling hotter, but you are feeling cooler? And this experiment you can do yourself. You can ask somebody else to take your heartbeats, or nadi as it is said, and fan yourself vigorously. Though you will feel cooler yourself, you will see that your nadi beats are increasing in number. That means you are doing activity, blood is circulating faster, and you should be in fact feeling hotter. In fact, your body is getting hotter. If you attach yourself to a temperature measurement device, you will also see that the body temperature slightly increases, it doesn't decrease. Then, how do we explain the feeling of coolness? That is the paradox. Something that should not happen is happening. And here the ancient wisdom principle is never question the experience. Explain the experience. And how do we explain the experience? The answer doesn't lie in physics, nor does it lie in biology. It lies in neuroscience. See, the interesting part is, definitely when you are fanning yourself, you are expending more energy in heating yourself than you are doing in cooling yourself. But where is this energy coming from? Energy is coming from hand, and where is it going to? It is going to the face and head and neck. And if you see the way your brain sees the body, you will notice that nearly 60% of all nerves go to the head itself and the neck region. So this part of the body is much more sensitive to heat or the lack of it than the rest of the body. Like say feet. And what we are doing is we are utilizing the less sensitive parts of our body to cool the more sensitive parts of our body. We are using our hand to cool our head and face. So, though in fact the overall body temperature goes on rising, we feel that the temperature is dropping because the most sensitive areas of the body feel so. So, this is the way in the holistic form this scientific paradox can be explained. So, remember the ancient wisdom principle: never question the experience, try to explain the experience and increase the knowledge horizons. Namaskar.